I'm going to show you how to create something like this. Just watch this video.
What if the first thing people remembered about you wasn't what you said, but how unforgettable you smelled? At Bolo Ray Luxury Scents, we believe everyone deserves to wear a fragrance that feels luxurious, lasts all day, and fits their budget. That's why we've carefully selected premium perfumes and long-lasting perfume oils inspired by some of the world's most loved fragrances without the luxury price tag. Whether you love bold, fresh, sweet, woody, or elegant scents, there's a perfect fragrance waiting for you. Because confidence begins long before you speak. It begins with the scent you wear. Bolo Ray Luxury Scents. Timeless scents, lasting impression. Order yours today. WhatsApp or call 081-662-73778. Place your order now.
Now, I don't know if you have been willing to learn video editing for a while. If you have been willing to learn video editing for a while, then don't worry, you are in the right place. Currently, you are in the right space, because I'm going to show you how you can create something like this for free on this channel. So all I need you to do is to just stay calm on this channel. By next week, you're going to see my very first video. But before you see my very first video, I will encourage you to watch one of my videos on this channel, how to speak to ChatGPT, because you need ChatGPT a lot. I use ChatGPT to create brand logos, like you see on this in the video, brand logos, complete brand image. You're going to do that. And before you can speak to ChatGPT, you need to understand how ChatGPT works. If you don't understand how ChatGPT works, then you just go to ChatGPT and say, give me logo. It will just give you something that is not nice. But when you know how to speak to ChatGPT, you know how to engage it very well, then you're going to have the best of the best results. Just like you see, many people have been on my DM, many people have been on my space asking me, how do I do this, how do I do that? But don't worry, you're in the right space. Just stay calm. See you later. Keep winning and keep building. Bye bye.